Alright, hey guys, so I have another kit opening, and if you can tell, my mouth is blue. Yeah, because I ate something that was blue. But I'm in a new spot. This is down in my nursery. Ooh. You can see it. But, this is the box opening of a Julietta. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But it's that kit, sorry. My obsession. Okay, I'm done. This is the Julietta kit by, oh god, I don't remember the artist. Well, we'll see. It says Julietta, this is just a kit, just a kit. Just a kit, but this is Julietta. It's by Natalie Blick. I think that's how you say her name. And she's number 101. I think, out of 500. That's all that's in there. And then, here's her body. So let's get to it. So, here are her limbs and everything. Oh god, they're so cold. Whoa. This is probably the best hand I have ever seen. Oh god. Like, we're the same. Same with this. I really like her kits. I think this is the first, oh god, it's so cold. I think this is the first one I've actually done by this artist. Little feet. And other foot. Yeah. Tell me, guys, just tell me if you don't like this kit opening stuff. I'm generally, like, wondering what they look like, if it's a new kit, and, I don't know, if you guys don't like it, I won't do it. Ew. I don't know what she's doing. But here is her face. Actually, oh, she's got little gums. I don't know if you can see them. She's got gums in her mouth. That's cute. I don't think I've ever had a baby like that. Yeah. Well, I actually got a lot of stuff in the mail today. I got this, which is for other stuff. And then I got a box back there, and those are 2 twin sweet pea kits. But I think you all know what the sweet pea kit looks like. So I'm not going to do a box opening of them. But, yeah, I hope you liked it. This is Julietta, and she will be a custom Asian skin-colored reborn. And, yeah, hope you like it, guys. Bye.